Megan Bartley. I am a chef and an anthropologist, and I'm cooking here at Buckfest. Today we're going to be making a vanilla protein berry smoothie, and the protein is from mealworm powder. Mealworms are a slow digesting protein, and so that's why it's great for a morning smoothie, because you really get that sustained energy throughout the day. So the first thing that we're going to use are frozen bananas. I do recommend freezing them. It fixes, any potential texture issues. Blueberries and strawberries. Some vanilla soy milk. Depending on the water content of your fruit, you may need to add a little bit more soy milk than the recipe calls for. Now what I'm adding is some vanilla frozen yogurt. I went with this vanilla bean that's sweetened with honey. Now finally, this mealworm powder. You only need a tablespoon. It's really packed with protein. It also has important healthy fats. As you can see, unlike commercially processed protein powders, it has a texture. This is why I added the blueberries, because blueberries skin also adds a little bit of texture, as well as strawberry seeds. And I would like to introduce NHMU's Executive Director, Jason Cryan. Jason, welcome.
Hi, thanks.
Jason is also an entomologist.
I am.
So a bug lover and a bug expert.
And I am looking forward to this.
Perfect.
Cheers to Bugfest 2023.
Bugfest 2023.
Wonderful.
It's good,
That's
right?
fantastic.
It is good.
That's so good. An excellent recipe. Well done.
Thank you.